Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna guide you how to fix login error in Waze app on a device. So as we know that Waze app is very useful in our day-to-day life, because Waze app is a navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates, faster routes, turn-by-turn directions, alerts for hazards, speed traps and road conditions. So to fix those issues you need to simply watch this video till the very end. So let's get into the video. First thing, you need to make sure that your device is highly connected to a very stable and strong internet connections, so that you won't face any kind of errors while logging. And second, there might be various updates on app anytime, so you need to make sure that your app is updated. So to do so, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user you need to simply go to your Play Store. After clicking on App Store, this is the very first page, and at the very top you need to search the app. So as you can see, in this Waze app there is no any kinds of updates available. So if it was there, then we need to simply update our app, and so that we don't face any kind of errors while logging to the device on this app. And third, you need to go to your settings and scroll it up, and you need to click on option general, and again you need to click on the option iPhone storage, and now you need to search the app Waze, and here you can see the app Waze. And after that you can see there is the option offload app. You need to click on the option offload app, and after offloading your app there will be the option reinstall app, and you need to reinstall your app again, and after a few minutes your app will be reinstalled on your device. And this is how you can fix your login error in Waze app on a device. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.